YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back again with another video. Hope everybody's doing well, staying safe. If you were trading today, don't know why. It was a bank holiday, especially if you're trading a USD pair, Memorial Day. So, you know, if you're in the US, you were probably hanging with some family, eating some good food, you know. But yeah, if you're trading and you're not in the US, that's why it was Memorial Day, bank holiday, so markets didn't move very much. Real quick, I am going to be dropping some videos on some live executions that I am going to be taking. So I will be posting that from start to finish, just letting the trades play out. And like I said, I'm moving the channel more towards like just showing trades and results based, I guess. But yeah, let's get into it. This is the Forex analysis for May 31st. We are on gold, excuse me. And let's start with the daily like usual. So let me zoom out. All right, so we're still inching towards this area right here, 1965. We do have a short term TP to hit at this 1938.40. So like right here. So if it gets past that, then our next one is going to be up here in this big consolidation range. You can see all the wicks right here. So I am looking for price to do that, and momentum for gold has been pushing up. We can see a clear uptrend right here. I really don't care about the touches. You can see that's going up. So yeah, we're looking for those two targets. If we drop down to the H1, let me zoom out. You can see not much to see on the H1, which is why you need to go to the higher time frames to see where you're going. Because if you're just using the H1, you would think this couldn't go up anymore, and you might be looking for reversals. No reason to look for reversals. Down here would be an area I would be interested in if it did retrace, to see if we can get a bounce from this area. But honestly, I'm not seeing any reason for price to go below this or dip below. It's been moving up, so yeah, just keep buying. This is definitely looking bullish. M15, I'm gonna take the fib, and I'm actually gonna go from this area to the current high. So I will be looking for a price to get in where the usual, the buy zone, the low risk buy zone area. If it passes the range low, I would just hold off and see what price is going to do maybe Wednesday. But we're going to be looking for a stop hunt low, a W, railroad track, anywhere within this range. So 1905 to 1903 pretty much is what I would like to see. A nice stop hunt, like I said, W, maybe like a fast down, a V spike, something like that. And then we would target for gold, I would target the 1936 first. And then if it hits that, take 70-80% off the trade, and then just let it run for the rest of the week. If it hits your stop loss, it hits, you know. So yeah, that's it for gold. Gold's been looking good for a while. So we had some little consolidation here last week, but I mean, it flew past this area with this strong candle right here, and we're still moving up. All right, let's go to EU. Daily wise on EU, I do like the spike round right here, because it took this area out. We had some stop losses right here, so this dip below took all of them out. Also made a higher low on the daily, so you can see the structure here. So you can see the higher lows getting formed, and we also have the higher highs, obviously, with the higher lows. So beautiful structure on the daily. So what's next? We are looking for price to get up here to 1.23564. So I'm looking for a price to get in that range. We may hit some turbulence like right here, like right before it. But I don't see any reason for this to be going down. This is looking really good. I like the spike right here. I don't think they're gonna release any traders that got trapped in a sell right here, so just be looking for buys. There's no reason to look for sells right now. Just keep on buying. All right, so let's move to the H1. H1Ys. I say that 3 times fast, right? TP1 is going to be up here. So remember when I said the high or low? So we're going to be looking for it to break this area. So that is going to be my TP1. TP2, I would just hold until we get to the next mark on the daily. But that is going to be your first take profit point, okay? If you want to take you want to take profit like right here, you can, or you can see if it's going to just blow through it. But either way, hold until you get to this area right here. All right, let's move to the M15. Take our fib out. So there's a couple points you could put it at this low. You could put it at this low. I don't think price will get below here. A couple reasons. You can see right here we had it. I guess you can call this an order block. So like I always say, order block is just the last candle before a big up move. So you can see one candle right here, then a big, push up. So I don't think price is going to get below here. So I would just go ahead and put the fib and make this the range low to the range high. Same thing as gold, looking for price in the buy zone, the low risk buy zone, or the range low. Okay, so anywhere between 1.22 65 and 1.2210 is going to be the optimal time to get into the trade. You can look for your patterns, or you can just look for some characteristics of bullish moves. So a strong candle up, let's see, like price is dropping, it starts like consolidating, then you see like a strong candle up. Some people call those impulse entries, but that's just a good price to get in. So if it does that, we're definitely looking for buys. I don't expect price to get below this point right here, and if it does, your next point to look is down here. So if it gets below here, we may have to reconsider our bullish bias, but I'm not seeing any reason for it to get below here. Okay, so EU is looking good for buy and gold. GU, let me see here. Let's go on the daily first. So we're right at this mark. We got past this area, which is what I was looking for last week. I said I wanted price to get up here. So on the daily, you can see there's not much more room to go. You have to go like on the weekly almost to kind of see your next targets. So looking on the weekly, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and just move this up here, because this is going to be, see equal highs right here. That means there's a strong chance that price is going to get back to this point. So that's a point I want to target if I'm a trader in GU. And on the weekly, candles are still strong and pushing up. All right. So we're looking at EU being a buy, GU being a buy, and usually, EU and GU have like a 70 to 80% correlation. There are times where they don't correlate and they're actually opposite of each other, but a lot of times they correlate. So that's why a lot of people like trading EU and GU together. It kind of gives you a confirmation of what it's going to do based upon the other pair. Okay. H1, not really much to talk about. Strong candles, we got past that point, so we're just up and away. Long as we cleared this area, that was the main area I was looking for price to get past. Excuse me, losing my voice. But yeah, we're looking good for GU. In 15, I'll put my range low below this structure right here. You can see this nice W right here. I'm gonna put it at the current high in Asia, and we're gonna look for price to get in between 1.418 and 1.417. So price may, even though I'm looking for price to get in the buy zone, guys, there are times where it just gets below the equilibrium and kind of touches it. So you got to do your better judgment. So let's say we see price in here, like right at the buy zone or like a little below it. If you see a pattern, like I say, the quarter wood, the spikes, the railroad tracks, the W's, and you feel confident enough, go ahead and take the trade. Okay. You put your stop loss below the low. That's going to be about 25 pips if you're on M15. If you want to get a tighter stop loss, you need to go down to the M5 or the M1, and then you could probably get like a 15 or 20 pip stop loss. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. This has been on the news a lot. So remember, I had this area down here, and I said I think price is probably gonna bounce up here. I was looking for like a stronger reaction, so this was good right here, but the fact that it came all the way back down and we're starting to create, you can see this little like swing point right here. Can you see how that like curves down like? So I don't really like that. And we have the equal lows all right here, so this honestly could fall down even further, down to like 22. I don't think it'll get below 22 at any point, but if it does, you know, it is what it is. So like I say, I think Bitcoin is always better for day trading and not holding. The swings are just too violent. I don't have the heart to hold it. Imagine you got up here, right? Imagine you got up here, and within a span of a week, you've lost your whole entire, you lost everything, you know. So if you can read the charts and you can get in and get out, that's gonna be the best way to trade Bitcoin. It is really profitable. I mean, 0.01, 0.03 are gonna do wonders for you. If you get to 0.1, even better. You can see $1,000 days easily. So just be careful with Bitcoin. But like I said, us day traders, we don't have that problem because we're not hodling. If you are, I mean, Godspeed, you know. Usually with Bitcoin, I don't even break it down any further, just because right now it's so obvious you really shouldn't be buying. Looking for sells. Even though we have some movement up, there's nothing to indicate that it's bullish. I wouldn't consider any type of bullish buys until we got up here past 43. When we start getting around 43, we can start looking for buys again. Okay. US 30, I've been off US 30 for like a month or two. It's just been consolidating. I mean, there's nothing here. So like I say, until it breaks above or below, like clear, I need to see like strong candles down. I'm not taking a position on US 30. People are just getting stopped out left and right. There's no money to be made right now until they decide what they're going to do. So I don't know when that's going to be, but when it does, I'll be here for it. But that's going to be it, guys. I hope you guys have a great day tomorrow. I will put this in the chat immediately. If you haven't, go ahead and join the group. I gotta figure out some new ways to keep you guys excited about being in the group, but hopefully the analysis helps. The signals can be a thing, but I do work, so I can't always drop signals, and if I do, you know, they gotta be fire. You know, I can't have no weak signals out there. But that's gonna be it for now. If you have any questions, hit me on the email, hit me on Telegram, leave a comment, and if you like what I'm doing, man, go ahead and drop a subscribe. Help your boy out, help the channel grow. I would appreciate it. But besides that, it's your boy Kyle Chartbully. I'm out. Peace.